What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, Godsends and Good Hearts. It's Pinky Godsend BA once again, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here, we will share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. For those who are new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful and get updated on the latest posts we share here from time to time by turning on your notifications. I love to look at old photographs from my grandparents' house. Sometimes I browse at old photos from other photo stack applications and I'm amazed by their textures and looks. Faded by time, but never in the memories about the people or person in it. Seems nostalgic, right? I love the song Photographs and Memories. I don't know if you're familiar with the song, but I will make it more lighter this time. So lend me your ears because I will sing you a song that sends in good hearts. Photographs and memories, all the love you gave to me, somehow it just can't be true. That's all I've left of you. Remember that song? Seeing these photos and hearing that song, it came to my mind, why not create a current photo of today and make it like an old photo look? This is the effect I'm going to create for you today. It's called Burned Old Photo Effect. For the new visitors here in our channel, you can visit our Instagram handle to see the different designs we made using this effect. I will put in the description below the link to our IG page. Are you excited to learn this? This is the sample that we will create. Let's now go to the blank Canva design editor. To start, drag a photo from Photos or Uploads and set the image as background. Next, go to Edit Image and look for the photogenic effect. This one, scroll down and find the mono effect. And under mono, look for newspaper and then apply. Go to Photos and search in the search bar, Old Damage Film Texture Close Up, Vintage Grudge Textured Background. I will choose the second one, this one. I will use this as an overlay to the photo to achieve the old texture photo effect. How? Just apply these settings. Using the photo, go to Edit Image again, and then go to Adjust, and See All, and change the settings to Brightness, -10, Contrast, 35, Saturation, 100, Blur, -5, Clarity, 100, 35. Vibrance, 100. Highlights, 100. Shadows, 100. And then I will change the transparency to 40. I will zoom it so you can see how the settings change its look. After that, I will resize it. I will rotate it and make it an overlay to cover the entire picture. And lock it. This is now how it looks like. The overlay makes the new photo look like an old photo texture look, right? After this, we will make the photo looks like a bird photo. And I can make it by adding either an element or photo called burnt edges. You can find this from elements or photos. Go to elements and search for burnt edges. Go to graphics. And these are the burnt edges photos. And from these photos, you can choose any one to make your design looks real. In this design, I want to use this one. Please note that not all photos or elements can be used if you are using a free version. But Canva has plenty of free ones for its free users. If you want to use all the photos and elements under Canva's photo library, try to use the Pro version of Canva. And if you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. Now to continue, I will use and position these burnt edges in any edge part of the photo. But before that, I will position it first in the upper right area, like this. I will resize it to make it longer. After positioning it, I will send it to back of the overlay. Send to back. I think I need another burnt edges element for this bottom side to make the design more beautiful. So like the one I did a while ago, I'll go to elements again or photos again, and then I will use a different style of burnt edges. This time I will use this one. I will position the edges in the bottom area. Like this one. And again, after that, I will send it back to the overlay. Now the design is finished. It's as easy as that using Canva. Take a closer look to the image I made. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Pinky, your Godson BA, and in behalf of Simon, your Good Heart BA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Simon with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.